Hello and welcome to Kanoon Darshan. Here is today's bulletin for you. The Uttar Pradesh government has filed a special leave petition in the Honorable Supreme Court against the Allahabad High Court's judgment of quashing Dr. Kafeel Khan's detention under the National Security Act. The petition, State of UP and Others versus Nuzhat Parveen, was filed on 26th October and is likely to be listed before the Apex Court on December the 17th. Bench led by Chief Justice S.A. Bobde, Justice A.S. Bopanna and Justice V. Ramasubramaniam on Monday dismissed a petition by a judicial officer of Maharashtra alleging unprofessional conduct to its registry. It alleged the registry of unequal treatment to him as well as to the common man in terms of listing and pointing unnecessary defects. The Uttar Pradesh government has filed an affidavit before the Honorable Supreme Court alleging that independent journalist Siddiqui Kappan should not be granted any relief as he has links with the banned outfit Students Islamic Movement of India or SIMI. The affidavit has been filed in pursuance to a habeas corpus petition moved by Kerala Union of Working Journalists. The Supreme Court bench, headed by Chief Justice Bobde, has observed that tentatively a committee comprising of the members of government and members of the Supreme Court bench, headed by Chief Justice Bobde, has said that tentatively a committee comprising of the members of government and members of the Farmers Association of India will be formed to engage in talks and come to an amicable solution. A three-judge bench of the Honorable Supreme Court comprising of Chief Justice Bobde, Justice A.S. Bopanna and Justice V. Ramasubramanian issued a notice on two public interest litigations seeking uniformity in the personal laws regulating divorce. Chief Justice Bobde observed, "You're not saying it doesn't mean that it's not the reality. You're asking us to encroach upon personal laws and remove the distinction that they created." That's all for the bulletin today. Thank you and have a good day.